Hello, Amazing All Stars. Today is Thursday, November the 11th. Let's look at our number corner calendar. We have, wow, a lot of interesting things going on our calendar. Let's find out what will happen with today's card. What do you predict? We had one whole sandwich. It was eaten up by a bear. Then we had a whole sandwich cut in halves. And then two dogs came and ate them. What do you think we'll see today? It's a whole sandwich cut into 4 parts. One of the 4 parts here, one of the 4 parts here, one of the 4 parts here, and one of the 4 parts here. Very cool. Let's add that to our grid. So we have fourths here. We'll write fourths. And then we will add, we have one sandwich cut into 4 equal parts. Very cool. We're going to go to our next activity, which is adding on a day in school. We made it to the 50th day of school. How cool! 50 days in school. That's super cool. Super cool. So we're going to erase all of this and do something a little bit different. We are going to put the number 50 up here. We're going to write the number word 50. And then we are going to show different ways to make 50. We can say 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 equals 50. We can also say, 49 plus 1 equals 50. Fantastic. So we have a lot of different ways here to make the number 50. I am going to add a number tree because I love those number trees as a way to help us understand math more. So here's a number tree that I'm starting, and I'm going to put the number 50 at the top of the number tree. And then add the 2 numbers that go below it. In this case, I'll put 49 and 1. We'll add those to our number tree to help us understand how to make the number 50. Great job. We need to add 1 more hour to our calendar collection. So when we add 1 more hour with an analog clock, the time becomes 9 o'clock. Do you see how the little hand is pointing towards the 9 and the big hand towards the 12? Then we'll grab our digital clock. Our digital clock also has a 9 on it as the first hour of the day shown on that clock. We're going to change our clock information here to show a 9 with the little hand pointing towards the 9. And then we will write the number 9 to show that amount on our clock. Today, All Stars, I have a different activity for you that we're going to work on. This activity today is different than what we have been doing, but it does talk about something we have mentioned. If you look on the screen, we have information about 10 frames. With our 10 frames, we have the opportunity to help us understand doubles better. It helps us understand how to make doubles. And I'm going to show you with this first one here. If we have one on the top and one on the bottom, we can actually put one on the top here. Two on the top here. Because 2 is equal to 1 plus 1. If we were writing a math fact for that, we would write 1 plus 1 equals 2. If we were writing a subtraction fact for that, we would put the answer to that double, 2, minus one of the numbers that we were adding, minus 1, would equal 1. I'm going to show you that in a bigger way. So we have our 1 plus 1, which equals 2. We have 1 plus 1 equals 2 on our number tree. We have the math equation, 1 plus 1 equals 2. And then we turn around and make it a subtraction fact. 2, which is the answer, minus one of the numbers we have equals the other number. So in this case, 2 minus 1 equals 1. Let's try another. What if we had here 2 plus 2? So we'll start it by saying, what is 2 plus 2? When you add all of those together, what is 2 plus 2? Did you say 4? Very good. You said 4. 4 is the answer. And how many dots do we have on that top line? 2. And then we have 2 on the bottom line. If we were writing a math equation to explain this number tree, it would be 2 plus 2 equals 4. Then, if we were writing a subtraction fact to explain this equation, it would be the answer, which we call the sum if it's an addition problem. 4 minus one of those numbers, which is 2, equals 2. I'll show this to you in a bigger way. But all we're doing is taking those doubles, using the 10 frame, the number tree, and preparing an equation. We're going to do more of this throughout the school year. I want you to focus on these. If you need to look at it again, take the time to do that. Have a great day.